Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a combat medic. Okay, so this is the character in this card is Spider-Man. Honestly, I don't know why they went with this particular casting for the hero himself. So, but let me tell you guys, this is very heavy. So I'm hoping this is a full metal casting. So let's unbox this first and see how this actually looks in the hand. Okay, let me just put that aside. So here is the card art. I personally love this card art, even though okay, I do like this suit, but I love the classic suit. Both uh, the amazing fantasy one and the later ones like with fat spider on the rear. And I mean, if you saw the 1994 series, you will know what I'm talking about. And spectacular Spider-Man suit as well. I mean, there are a lot of series in between like Spider-Man Unlimited. I mean, MTV Spider-Man based on Tobey Maguire's movie, the trilogy. And I think there is one more in between if I'm not wrong. Okay, spectacular Spider-Man 2000. I mean, MTV Spider-Man series. Okay, I think after that we got Ultimate Spider-Man, and then there is one more Spider-Man we got that actually featured this particular costume. So next to that we have now this Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man, and there is one more show is going for kids, Spidey and his Amazing Friends. So the tune is really catchy, but I love the original Spidey and his Amazing Friends. I mean, it has Firestar, yeah, Firestar, right, and Iceman and Spider-Man. So originally, instead of Firestar, uh, Johnny Storm is supposed to come in that series, but due to some I don't know, licensing issue or something, they replaced it with Firestar. So okay, so the card art looks really cool. Okay, let's get to the casting now, because I want to see if it is a full metal casting. Okay, yeah. So this is a full metal casting, guys. So on that part, I'm okay with it, but I'm not sure why they went with because he's a savior. He's supposed to be on an ambulance. I don't know. I don't know why they did that. Let's see if this is it openable. I think I can open it, but I don't know if it will break it. Is it supposed to open? I'm not sure, guys. But I can actually open it. You can see here. And you can actually see the space in between. Okay, so let's talk about the casting. So it has this Spider-Man graphics here. I mean, in his crouching pose. This is not the exact classic crouching pose which he does. So this is one of the poses which he does. So, but I personally love that, that classic uh, perch which he does. So again, you can see that perch in even in Marvel Spider-Man game, and like a lot of Spider-Man game. Literally every Spider-Man game features that pose. In case if you still want to see that in a static way, you can see it in this 1994 Spider-Man logo itself. On top of the A, he actually perches. So that is the classic perch, which is like both of his legs together, and he just sits on his tippy toes and holds his hand like this in the ground. That is a beautiful pose. It actually showcases his muscular nature, and it looks a bit scary as well, and it looks cool. I mean, that's what makes it beautiful. Okay, it says SM here, that is okay, obviously Spider-Man and protector of New York. What is this? What is it supposed to? W divided by G. G of O is G of with great power comes great responsibility, you guys. I was thinking it is supposed to show some kind of equation like Einstein's E equal to mc square, but that this is with great power comes great responsibility. That's what they're mentioning here. Okay, so here is the spider logo. I mean, it's this is kind of his uh, like his light which he has in his hip in his belt. So he shines it on villains and everyone to showcase that he is coming. So you can see that in Spectacular Spider-Man series, I mean, they actually showcased it really well in that series compared to the 94 series. Because in 94 series, it's just a red light. And but in the Spectacular Spider-Man series, they showed it really well. I do have that light with me. I recently bought it. So, and it works really well. So I might showcase that in maybe near future. So I was able to get that like I think a month, 2 months back or so I bought it. Okay, so this side also features the same graphics. So it does have interior detailing to it. At least they went with light blue tint instead of blacking it out. But still you can't able to see it very clearly. I really hate the rear on this one. I mean, what they are thinking. I mean, they did cooler castings literally for every other character and but not the main character. I mean, seriously guys. Okay, so this is a full metal casting. That's the only good thing about it. If you ask me, it doesn't even have any coolness factor. If I have to give a rating on the coolness factor, I am supposed to do it at the end. But I mean, I'm really pissed off. Looking at this block, they call it a medic. Okay, so I know it is supposed to be looking like this, but they could have given a different car for Spider-Man. Man, I mean, I was really excited to get this set, but the moment I saw this one, I was a bit, I mean, heartbroken to be honest. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. Okay, that is around 82 grams. That is really good. So I'm hoping that this would roll really well. Let's see. No, and it doesn't. Okay, what is it is getting stuck here. I know I'm supposed to get a wider track. I'm not able to get one. So if you guys know where to get a wider track in India from any Indian website or even in Amazon or somewhere, a good one I'm talking about where I can do roll test for you guys, just drop me in the comments. If possible, drop me a link. I will buy that for sure. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Honestly, on the coolness factor, I would seriously give 5 out of 10. That's it. And I'm giving 5 just because Spider-Man is in it. If this is not Spider-Man, if it is a different livery, I mean, instead of a superhero or instead of Spider-Man, I would have not even given any rating for that. It would be a 0. So on the detailing aspect, I mean, this looks really shitty to be honest. So I would give somewhere around like 7 out of 10, not more than that to be honest. So overall rating would be somewhere around 7. Not even 7.5, somewhere around 6 out of 10 for this casting, not for Spider-Man again. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.